Inside a Texas courtroom, confusion, chaos, and 5 felony cases colliding. The judge demands answers, deals collapse, and one guilty plea changes everything. This is justice on the edge.
So we're not proceeding, or I'm not exactly sure what's going on with that.
All right, he's charged with a state jail felony. It looks like he's got 2 other state jail felonies. And does this enhance it to a 3rd-degree felony, these 2 priors?
That's correct, Judge.
Looking at up to 10 years in prison. The crystal-like substance weighing 1.3 grams. And we don't have a return on that yet?
No, sir. I don't see it in our system, so I don't know if we're waiting on labs, if we're proceeding. I'm just trying to get some more information at this point.
Go ahead. What did y'all want to say?
No.
He's here. You're Mr. Albanese, right?
Yeah, I had informed him of the.
Wait, who are you?
Mr. Albanese.
Okay. Yes, Daryl.
No, I had informed him of the 15-month offer, but he was concerned about a new case possibly coming up.
I would be. That's a felony if it's if it's a drug, you know, if it's if it's methamphetamine, crystal meth, which is what was thinking it is.
The courtroom is tense. No one knows what's coming next.
You might return back from the drug line.
I'm not sure. I sent an email up to intake. I can check later today to see.
Okay, but here, right now, they got an offer, they got 2 cases. What do you?
I just want a short reset, give them time to find out what's going to happen with that other case.
2 weeks. Let's see what we do in 2 weeks.
Well, I'll have to go unagreed to the judge on that. He could possibly do that. But before I'll complete it again. Well, I have a problem doing that. We got to wait and see what's going to happen with that other case. Basically, what he's saying, he doesn't have a problem going unagreed. Just we want to see what's going to happen with that other case, and if not, we can go unagreed.
Can we try to get the lab to get
2 files are missing, and even the prosecutor looks confused.
Figure out if it's the lab we're waiting
I'll
on.
reset 2 weeks. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. That trick.
Yeah. What's your name?
Connor. Connor. Last name.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Look. On him, Judge, I don't have a client. I don't have a client on Mr. Connor.
Whoever defense attorney would love to be able to say that. So,
Judge, he does have 2 new cases in received status. I think we're just waiting on them to go to grand jury. So at this point,
okay, fill in the gap here. What's the deal? You're not. This isn't your case.
No. Well, I guess I misspoke. When I said I don't have a client, to my understanding, he shipped off to some other place, so it's not here.
5 felony cases, all tangled in one chaotic morning.
What?
CRE.
How do you spell that?
He's no longer in our list.
I just wanted to test, just to see if everybody's listening to me or not.
Did I say it?
ACW, yeah.
ACW.
AT.
Absent without leave, probably. All the way, huh?
That would be AWL. AWOL.
It does look like he was transferred to somewhere else. It doesn't say where, but.
So what are we going to do about getting him back? Since he's got 3 important cases.
Judge, I would request that we wait for his 2 new cases to.
Oh, there's 2 more coming?
Yes, they haven't gone to grand jury yet, but we do see those in our file. So I would request.
You may be for walk out. Let's review it in 3 weeks. Just 3 weeks, okay? All right, let's go.
No, that's perfect.
Cody Garrett. That's 5 cases. You could move.
All for 15 years.
Well, I mean, let's see.
Yeah, you got 5. First degree
felony for life, a 2nd degree for 20. Kidnapping, that's 3rd degree, that's 10. So we have life and 30. 3rd degree, so another 10. Yeah, this is 3rd degree continuous violence against. So we got life And how many years? 1, 2, 3, 10 years. So life in 50 years is what we're looking at. On all this. Okay. Why?
I did make an offer.
The judge wants answers. Now. 5 defense is buying time, waiting for lab results that could change everything.
15 years of notice.
So nobody wants 15 years. Nobody wants 15 years, but what are we going to do? Is he eligible for probation?
Yeah.
I'm just curious. I don't see any priors on those indictments.
Who might be judge? I don't know. Too many irons in the fires.
Yeah, this is somebody who has not been through the system before and convicted with 5 different cases. April 18th must not have been a real good play. April 18th and April 18th. So 4 criminal cases fall down to the April 18th episode. And then a month before that, we had the first degree felony murder. Yeah. So life and
He's eligible.
50 years.
I don't show that he's got a felony conviction, Judge.
What do y'all want to do? One way or the other. Well,
He's not accepting the offer. That's
that right?
set of the trial. Nature of these
That
things,
right?
the state will try one at a time.
You're refusing. Is that right?
That right.
Is that what he's doing? He's refusing. Nobody wants that. But I mean, is it going to make a deal or not?
The state is never going to offer probation on this case.
16 years on the table, but no one's ready to take the deal.
We want.
What's he want to do?
All other options that they have.
Welcome.
Probation is to explore the opportunity to plead unagreed to the judge. But that's something that you can think about between now and
What's he want to do?
I said it for the trial.
Okay, then there is no deal. Okay, there will not be a deal. We'll just handle these 5 times. Okay,
Perfect.
Good. That is the order of the court.
All right.
Okay, next is, what do I have next?
I got the sale. Can I have one reset on the door?
Oh,
This is the first time coming to court together. I think I got that with, let's go. I just want one reset, just one.
How long? 4 weeks? 4 weeks. That's all you got? Okay.
That'll work.
Sal reset 4 weeks. Clemente Hernandez.
He's like speaking English. I want to talk to Ellie about getting reset. We could have an interpreter.
In probation, not this time. The state isn't backing down.
I'm reset. 3, 4 weeks.
Howard loves to take the interpreter. 3, 4 weeks.
To be here.
Okay, reset 4 weeks. Nortasia Laverne.
Ready, that's a plea.
Nortasia Laverne, please. I need those files. Thank you. Nortasia Laverne. On Ashley Nelson, I'm looking ahead. That looks like that has been reset as we are still waiting on a medical report.
Yes, sir.
So we'll reset, what, 2 weeks?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On Ashley Nelson's 2 cases, 24 CR 1985, 1986.
Okay. On mine, I got it. Deferred and filed.
Come on up. She needs to get fingerprinted over here, please. Fingerprinted right there. Thank you. 25 CR 1029 will be called.
Raise your right hand.
Nortasia
Let me go.
Laverne.
Do say it. You put your right thumb. Place the flat right there. The whole time, right here. Okay, so stand in front of the judge.
So you are here with Mr. Dusler, your attorney, and the state's attorney. You're Ms. Laverne? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes.
In summary, in this cause number 1029, in summary, this indictment states that on or about July 5th of this year, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the second-degree felony of robbery. Do you understand what you were charged with?
Yes.
If convicted, you face no less than 2 nor more than 20 years confinement in prison, and fines up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand?
Yes.
An agreement's been reached where you would be pleading guilty, placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation, which can be up to 10 years in length, ordered to pay a fine of $500. Is there any restitution owed on this case? Any chance?
No, sir.
I'll check while you proceed, Judge.
Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes.
How do you plead to this charge, ma'am?
Each case carries years, maybe even life behind bars.
Error. That is on your own free will.
Yes.
And because you were guilty. I'll show you which mark this state's Exhibit 1 there. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Understand it, discuss it with your attorney, the contents all correct?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered without objection admitted. Among other things, the state's youth are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea, which freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial and their rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is part of the record for all purposes. Pre-sentence report, please. Yes. I'm going to follow this agreement and find you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of the second-degree robbery. But I'm going to defer or postpone any finding of guilt so long as you follow terms and conditions of probation. The probation officer is going to go over with you always. And this will be for a period of 10 years, but you do well, I can shorten it to 1/3 of that, 3 1/3 years. Again, there will be fine of $500 and other terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for this type of offense. Make sure you follow that. If you fail, your probation could be revoked. You could be then found guilty and sentenced up to 20 years in prison, which I don't think anyone wants.
I don't see where the items were recovered, Judge.
You don't see the what?
I don't see that the items were recovered. There were 7 items.
And then, a sudden guilty plea shocks the room.
There's $2,100 worth of restitution. Sunglasses.
This is 9 pair, totaling for $33,000.
My report reflects 7 at $300 a piece.
What do you know about that? The defense. Did they ever get the sunglasses back? They did. How did that happen? Keeping in mind, you don't want to mislead me because we'll get to the bottom of it. Don't mislead. They got them back at the lawyer.
Stuff whenever I want to miss them.
Okay. You gave everything back?
Yes,
To the-
but they're not there.
Okay.
Yeah, practically, I would say.
And it looks like it included several pairs of sunglasses from the store, right?
That looks good.
Okay. And all of those were given back to the police?
Yes, sir.
You're saying?
It was fine.
Yeah, just ask Kim. You see what she's, if she's saying, I have something of it.
Okay. Excuse me, let me, we're in the middle of a plea hearing on this. Thank you. All right, here we go. I'm going to,
I don't want to,
we're not certain
yes, sir.
about this. The defendant says the police recovered all the items. The state does not see that in the report. I don't either. But what do can I do a tentative restitution order?
Yes.
And it either is paid back or the items are returned to satisfy the reimbursement. But how much is the restitution?
To me, the restitution should be $2,100, Chuck. If in the event that these sunglasses were recovered, obviously that would diminish.
Yeah, the court is going to order restitution in the amount of $2,100. But if they are all returned back unscathed, that is in the same condition they were in. So when they were taken or stolen, anyway, you will be given credit for all of that. Do you understand? But we don't know for sure because there's a difference of opinion here. But if you have a problem with it, tell the probation office if you believe whatever occurs on that restitution is not what you understand, and then we'll have a hearing. But we're going to tentatively order restitution or the return of the sunglasses in the proper, in the condition they were in when they were taken. Okay. All right. Please see the probation officer. Thank you.
Justice delivered, but the tension still lingers in the air.